Hi everyone, it's Effie here, and today I just want to share with you on why I went into an online business. And I am having fun with the online business, and I'm grateful that I made that choice. So I studied biochemistry and I also studied supply chain management, and I had a job after school. I was supplying medical equipment. I was bidding for tenders for the supply of medical equipment, and I was traveling to supply those medical equipment. I was connecting with suppliers and customers, and having fun with it. After a while, my health compelled me to change location. So I changed location, and I had to study to be able to function in that same capacity where I was. I did all that, but I didn't get a job in supply chain. So with this medical condition, the pain, it's characterized by so much pain, and the pain increased, So I was even scared to take a job. I was scared to take a job because I was scared of being fired. These days, if you get a job and you're always asking for days off, you just know that your resignation or your termination is around the corner. And I didn't want that, so I didn't even apply for any job. Meanwhile, my health began to improve, and so I went for part-time jobs so that I could still have time to take care of myself. But these part-time jobs, these contract jobs, you know what they are all about. They were not able to give me the life that I love, and even the money, the salary I was paid at the end of the month just helped me to get by. I didn't want to live a life of just getting by. I wanted to have fun. I wanted to have a good life. I wanted to live a good life, eat well as well, eat healthy. And these days, if you want to eat healthy, you need to have some bulk. So I decided to go into the online space, and I had listened to an audio that was encouraging listeners to go into the online space, and as God will have it, He heard my prayer. One of these days, I was just cleaning my phone and I stumbled on a video. The guy was talking about his online business, how he went into the online business, why he went into the online business. He was working 14 hours a day, and he wasn't spending time with his wife and children. And he was scared that his children will grow up not knowing who their father was, because he was always away working. In the morning, he'll leave so early, and then he'll come back at night, eat and sleep, and that was his life. And I resonated with it. I said, well, I want to live a life that will give me the opportunity to be with my loved ones, to do what I want to do when I want to do it, and above all, get paid the money that I deserve. And so I decided to watch those free videos, and those free videos blew me away. I got more than I bargained for, because not only did they give me the foundations of going into an online business, I have been able to improve myself, my relationship with people. I've been able to improve my solutions, giving solutions to people. I've been able to encourage people, and I've been able to make a living through it, and without any form of stress. I can work whenever I want to. I don't have to be at work at a particular time. Whenever I feel like working, I can work, and I can work till whenever I feel like stopping. So there is no time restriction, there's no geographic location restriction, and it's just so fun because I'm connected to a very beautiful community. Each time I fall into a hurdle, I have people that I can call, I can email, I can talk to, and they will put me through it. This training that I went for has improved my life tremendously, and I believe it will improve yours too if you give it a shot. And the online space is what is in vogue now, and everything is going online. Everything, every transaction you make is online. So why don't you give your own solution online? Why don't you provide value online as well? I am providing value, and I'm grateful to God for that. I'm grateful to God for the opportunity. So if you like what you are hearing, just click the link below. If you're watching on YouTube, click the link below and I'll send you those free videos I watched free of charge. Those free videos would help you to decide whether the online space is for you. Even if you have your doubts, just watch them because they are free, they are complimentary, you don't have to pay for them. A lot of people have doubts when they are going into online business because they think it's a scam, but I am here to tell you that it's not a scam. You only have to work hard at the initial stage because it's something that you're just going into. You don't know the terrain, but the coaches know the terrain. They've been in business for about 10 years and they've been helping thousands of people get their lives back together, make a living that will count for them. So go through the video series and go through it with an open mind, and then at the end make up your mind. Like I said, the coaches are top notch and they've been helping people for over 10 years. They take you through a step-by-step proven training module, and you know, at the end of it you can build your website like I did. I built my own website. I can correct whatever I want to do on my own website, and I've been able to provide solution to people that will also pay me. So if you're thinking of going into an online business, or you are still skeptical about going into an online business, just watch the free videos, click the link below, provide your name and email, and I'll send them straight into your inbox as soon as possible. So take care, and I hope my story has added some value to you, or you have been able to get one or two things from going into an online business. Take care, and I'll see you soon.